So let's see what we got.
So we have 2 graphs. This is baseline. He basically makes 2 back-to-back pulls. And stuff you can see, Halltech intake, and if you peek down, you can see the headers and everything on there.
Yep.
And it should sound a lot better too.
Nice.
I think you'll like it.
So it's much bigger.
Yep, completely enclosed. The filter in there is like this big.
Yeah.
It's way bigger.
Now with the filter, do I need to do anything as far as like changing that?
So
that, or how do that?
it does need to be cleaned.
Yeah.
But you're only going to clean it, check it every oil change or every other oil change, and just see if it's dirty, and then they sell kit that you can buy to just clean it. Over oil, yes.
Okay.
Guys think you have to like physically see the oil dripping on. It's high flow cats.
High flow cats.
Yes.
Okay.
Makes them sound much better.
All right, cool.
So.
And it doesn't smell. All right, so she's in. All right, there's the Kooks header's long head, and there's the X pipe. So it said it's catted, so so it's not catless. So I was wrong on that, but right there. So we're still good. Wait to hear it. Can't wait to hear it.
Enjoy it.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy it. Let me know how you like it. It's gonna sound when you start driving it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it slow, but I'm enjoying the sound so far, just on the idle. I love that.
For sure.
I love it.
Awesome.
Thank you,
Sweet.
Mike.
No problem, James.
Yep. Take it easy. All right, that's it. Oh man, she sounds good. Oh my God, she sounds good. Oh, she sounds good. So I can hear her rumbling. Let me go ahead and get these paddle shifts enabled. Yep. I can hear her rumbling, man. Oh yeah, I can hear her rumbling. I'm gonna wait to hit it. I'm gonna wait to hit it. I don't know, man. I don't know. I feel like I keep saying the same thing over and over, but this is my first reaction to finally waiting after Katech got their stuff. Katech did a great job, bro. I mean, 1 week in the shop, in and out, pretty much headers in tune. He baselined it literally probably within a couple of days of it being there. Great on communication, you know, so shout out to Mike Campbell. If you guys are looking to go to Katech, reach out to Mike Campbell, man. Very knowledgeable guy, knew exactly, like literally told me like your game may be 40 to 50 horsepower, and we'll talk about the numbers after, but like he was spot on. He was spot on. He knew what I needed, everything. And one thing I appreciate about this shop is that, so there's a leak in the oil pan gasket. He says it's very small, very little, but you know, it's not dripping. But they at least checked it, told me, which let me know, like, at least they're inspecting it, right? As a customer, I'm not under that car a lot. So it's good to know that they're telling me about things that, hey, you know, we could take care of it, or it's this bad or not this bad. I appreciate that. Helps me to be proactive. So they looked at that. They didn't just go in and do what I told them to do. They said, hey, we found this. You might want to look at it. And then he showed me when we got done. Those guys were great. Those guys were great. Presented it well. I mean, I can't. So far, man, I don't have anything to say about Katech that's bad. I love that shop. They were very professional. I love the what is under promise, over deliver. I think that's how you say it. I love that they have. Hey man, I might have it for 1 to 3 weeks. You know, bring it in, and then they get that thing done in a week. You know, I appreciate it. It's a busier season now, so I'm sure that timeline is probably closer to 2 weeks to 3. But man, Katech was great, bro. They were great, bro. Just professional. I felt safe with my car there. You know, they clean me up real well, so I like it, man. So if you guys, Corvette guys, if you are looking for a shop, they do stuff like engine work where they'll ship it, you know, you ship it to them, they'll ship it back. They do it all, man. Anything Corvette, I'm telling y'all, take a look at Katech. It should be your first go-to. I mean, they know everything about it. If you've seen the video that I have, you've seen there was nothing but Corvettes and Camaros in there. That's the shop, and they build a lot of the engines for a lot of these performance shops. So, all right, so now, oh man, I gotta get me a tripod. I've been having some fun just driving this thing. So now the next video, we'll talk about the numbers, how much horsepower was gained. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. One more time, second gear. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's first. Nice BMW 3 Series. But next video, what we'll do is we'll talk about the numbers on the dyno. And if I'm impressed by the numbers, what am I planning on doing further? Let's talk about it on the next video. Bye, Felicia.
Craig.
Bye, Felicia.